So it's super important to check the humidity each morning on the incubator to make sure it's in our range between 45 and 60%. It's important to make sure that the water is not too hot or too cold when I add water to it as well. So I have let the sink water here in our dirty office kitchen run, and I am just letting it warm up just a little bit more, and then I'm gonna fill up my pitcher to add to our incubator. And next up, I already took the top off. So then, as you can see, I've moved the incubator out of the way just slightly, and I'm adding my water in here. Now, I had already added most of it, but as you can see, I did add some blue dye because I felt like it was really hard for me to see the water in the incubator visibly. But now that I've got the hygrometer, it's made it a lot easier because it's actually digitally telling me what the humidity is in the incubator. But the blue dye kind of gives me a good impression if there's no water in there or not. I can tell a lot easier than with the clear regular water. So I just used some regular old food coloring, and as you can see, since this is in the office, we've made sure that nobody's touching the incubator. So I'm going to go ahead and put the top on just so that they get hot and they get warm again. And as you can see, while I have the top off, the humidity dropped to 24%. It had been averaging around 55 or so, but it's already moving back up. And as you can see, the temperature also went down a few degrees. It's 95 degrees Fahrenheit, but hopefully it will start moving back up like the humidity is. It really affects it when we take the lid off and that precious heat goes out. As you can see, the red light is on, and that means the heat is working harder. So it's trying to heat it up to get everything back to the temperature it should be. So the humidity is definitely changing a lot faster. It's already up to 33%, whereas our temperature is still at 95. So I'll let you know how long it takes to get back up there next time I check in.